When a pipe bursts, what you do in the first hour decides how much you save. Here is the order to do it in. Step 1. Stop the water. Shut your main valve and cut power to the wet areas at the breaker before you step into standing water. Step 2. Lift and protect. Get rugs, electronics, and furniture legs up off the wet floor. Step 3. Photograph everything before you move more. Your insurer will want that record. 2 mistakes to avoid. Do not use a household vacuum on standing water, and do not assume drywall is fine. Water wicks up inside the walls. Speed is everything. The faster water is extracted and drying begins, the more we can save. And we document every step for your insurer. Water damage? Green Restoration answers 24/7. Call 833-800-0474.